The Ministry of Education and Sports has released the 2020 POE results, and this is how you can check for them on your smartphones. Yes, this is your tutor Ivan Serunjoji. Always keep posted with the latest updates in education, science, and all on Easy Science International. Don't forget to subscribe for your latest updates in this field. Yes. This applies to all the telecommunication companies, MTN, Airtel, Africell, among others. First of all, go to your message and create a new message. The number which you are going to send this message to will be 6600. That is the number. Then here is what you are going to type. Yes, type PLE in capital letters, leave a space. Yes, then type the index number of the pupil who sat for the PLE exams, or the one you are checking the results for. Example, I'll type 060057. Then don't forget to put the /. Yes. Then type the personal number of the person or the people you are asking the exams for. This is the format which you need to enter the message. Then you should make sure that you have Ugandan shillings 500. Yes, in order to send this message and request for the POE results of your pupil or child. Yes, then send the message to 6600. Yes, then immediately the results will be posted to your message or messages inbox. For example, let me say send SMS and see what will happen. Yes, it shows that messages would like to send a message to 6600. Then this may cause charges on your mobile account that we know, 500 shillings. Yes, we sent. Yes, and it automatically comes. So it automatically shows you the results. For instance, English 7, MTC 6, SST 4, Science 5, Aggregate 22, and Division 2. Yes, so that is it, and that is how easy it is to get your results via messages. Thank you. Stay glued to Easy Science International. And we also give admissions to some of the best schools around Uganda. You can hit our inbox on WhatsApp using that contact. Thank you.